we created this program, if you remember, we assigned 30 to the quantity, 3 to the price, we calculated the bill, and here we asked him to multiply quantity times price, and it multiplied that thing and stored the result in bill. The value of bill was 90, and then we asked him to print the bill, and it printed 90 on the screen. We discussed that this 90 is not a very meaningful result. It should print on the screen, your bill is 90. It should print it like that. This will be more meaningful. My friends, before writing that code here, we discussed earlier the data, that what data is, and whenever computer processes the data, whenever we ask him to use the data, it will just use the data, it will process the data. So now what we want to do, we want to print that message on the screen. Let me change the color. So we want to print that message on the screen. Okay, so we have to print, so we will use the print instruction, and then we want to print that message on the screen, not 90. We want to print that message on the screen. To print that message on the screen, we need to make it the data. So your bill is, and to make the data, what we need to do, we need to put that thing in the double quotation or space marks. So now we are asking him to print that thing on the screen, and it is the data because it is in the space marks, and we discussed earlier that whenever we are asking him to use the data, it will use the data. So now we are asking him to print this message, whatever that message is printed on the screen. So it will print your bill is, and then we have to print the actual value of the bill variable. So we will write print, and we will write the name of the variable. This is the name of the variable. So it will pick up the value of the bill, which is 90, and then on the next line it will print 90 on the screen. So let's make that change in the code. So before this line here, we want to print a message, your bill is. It can be anything in the space marks. So whatever is in the space marks, it will become the data, and we are asking him to print that data. It will print that data on the screen. So let's run this code. So see, it printed this message on the screen, and that is this one, your bill is, and on the next line, I'm asking him to print the value of the bill. The value of the bill is 90, so it printed that thing on the screen. A small change in the code, my friends. Still, we do not want to do this thing. This is much better one, but we still want to make it much better. So I want to that it should print your bill is, and in front of that message it should print 90 on one line. Here we have messages in two line, but I want that it should print the message, all the messages in one line. We need to understand one thing here, that is the print instruction. So whenever we are printing something, we will write print anything. For example, 2, so it will print 2. But I want to print two things on the screen. So I'll write just like in normal in our day-to-day life. So whenever we are writing two things, so for example, we want to write the name of the cities. So I'll not write London, Manchester, because these are the two things. So what I'll do, I'll put comma in between these two things. So this comma basically separates the value, that this is the first value and this is the second value. Same is the case here. So whenever you want to print multiple things, you will write the first value, comma, second value. So here I'm asking him print 2 and 5. So what it will do, it will print 2 and 5. For example, here the value of A is 20. So I'm asking him print A comma 50. A is the variable, so it will print the value of A, which is 20. 50 is the data, so it will print 50. And you can print multiple things. So what I want to do here, I want to do that it should print your bill is and 90 in front of it. So now I'll ask him, Mr. Computer, print this data, your bill is anything inside the space marks. I just want to put these things here, it will print that thing, and then comma, and I'll write the variable name bill. So when it is executed, so what it will do, it will print this data on the screen first. So it will print your bill is whatever is inside the speech marks. It will print that thing, and comma. So I'm telling him that please after that thing print the value of the bill, because this is the variable. So it will go to the memory, it will pick up the value of that variable, and it will print in front of it. So it will print your bill is 90. Let's run this code. Oh, sorry, I didn't change it. So print bill. Now see, all these things, all the messages are printed on the same line. So to make the result, to make the output meaningful, we just need to give a message and the result of the calculation values.